One of the biggest problems that artists that record themselves sometimes face is timing issues. And if you're an engineer and you've been getting sessions from artists that record themselves, you probably noticed this. They probably messed up their dubs, their harmonies, their stacks, their runs, ins and outs, whatever you want to call it. And I know from personal experience, those are a headache to fix. But I'm gonna show you one plugin that can help make that easier for you to fix. So if that sounds good, because you like the video and stick with me to the end. I recorded something right here and I want you to tell me what's off, right?
I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon. You think that boy, he really better for you?
Alright, so this part right here was off. Listen.
Letting go soon.
That goes soon. That's off. And that would be a pain to fix, right? Especially like if this is my dub. That's gonna be a pain to fix.
Letting go soon.
Like, that's gonna be a problem. No matter how low the volume gets, whatever, that's gonna be a problem. So one of the easiest fixes to this problem is gonna be with Vocal Line 6. This plugin is very simple. I'm using Pro Tools. So in Pro Tools, I can right click on my main track up here and I hit edit, right? And it's gonna bring up this window. So with this being on tightest timing, so I could put that on tightest timing. Go ahead and put the preset up here because they have presets you could put here. You can save a preset, do what you want to do. But what I have to do first is capture, right? To be able to fix the dub, basically align the dub, I need to be able to capture the main. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to capture that, all right? One click and it's in there. Okay, so next up, I need to go down here and capture the dub. And I go down here and I right click on that and I hit edit on that. So now I have vocal align right here. Then I hit capture. Boom, that jumps right in. But what we see right here is that when it captured, that gave me the line, and that's how everything is, right? So it fit everything inside of the yellow. So this should be tighter. So you see how this drug out right here with this? Those are the same words, everything there, but it drug out. And we see down here in the output, it made it tighter, like it fitted in with that. So let's just check it one time in here. So
I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon.
Okay, see, so what we got up here to the right, it says match timing. So we turn that off and we'll see this.
I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon.
Okay, so you heard how it goes soon. It came back when we didn't match the timing. So what this plugin just did was match the timing. It synced everything. As you see, it moved everything back, even the first take, because it drug out, right? And you see that. So with the timing being off, listen.
I got your heart in my hand, love.
You heard that. But we go back.
I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon. You think that boy, he really better for you? You'll be running back to me soon. Can you really, really move on? When the love we got is too strong.
Alright, so look, in this part right here, so like, if we don't want that to be drug out right here, so this part here.
Can you really, really move on?
Then move on. Let's say that's throwing up the vibe of the song. Oh, that's what it does. We put that on here. Watch it.
Can you really, really move on?
That's crazy. Like, that's fire. And off that, what we could do, we can go over here. This right here, we can adjust like pitch ranges. So if the guide was in a higher pitch vocal, we could switch that. We could change that there. Same thing for the dub. We could switch between normal high pitch, low pitch, high pitch instrument, bass instrument, all that right there. We don't have to put the timing on. That's completely up to us and what we want to do here. There's no worries. Like, if you want to like have it be off a little bit and match the timing, we could loosen it up. So, and if we had multiple takes down here, all we do is just load in multiple takes. All right, and then let's put doubler 4, right, on it, right? Matter of fact, not that one. Let's see, put micro. All right, so let's just right here. You push this down, form it.
I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon.
So the low pitch vocal.
I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon.
Like, watch this. And we take that off. That's what we get.
I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon. You think that boy, he really better for you? You be running back to me soon.
Like, that don't sound good, right? As far as, like, it don't feel good from that part because we know it's off. And then we link it, and now we end up with something like this.
I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon. You think that boy, he really better for you? You be running back to me soon. Can you really, really move? When the love we got is so strong. Can you really?
So I was like, well, so let's try to bring the pitch down a little bit.
I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon. You think that boy, he really better for you? You be running back to me soon. Can you really, really move? When the love we got is so strong.
Now, that's fire though.
I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon. You think that boy, he really better for you? You be running back to me soon.
So like, it's not that bad. Like, it works. It fixed it. Cause that's all we really need is be able to just fix things sometimes. Like quick fixes. We don't have to really overthink about it. So like, knock something right here.
I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon. You think that boy, he really better for you? You be running back to me soon. I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon. You think that boy, he really better for you? You be running back to me soon. Can you really, really move? I got your heart in my hand, love, and I don't plan on letting go soon. You think that boy, he really better for you? You be running back to me soon.
Cause it's like definitely a big difference. Because I'm telling you, like, you would be surprised how many times you'll get a session or you'll record something and try something and be like, I don't like it, and then you can't re-record it and then you stuck. Cause like this part right here, like you could tell that's off. Like you could tell that's off. Like that is off.
Be better for you. You be right.
Like you could tell that's
Be better for you.
like you could tell that's off.
Be better for you.
You can tell that's off.
Letting go soon. Letting go soon.
That's not good. Even on how we put it.
Letting go soon. You think that boy, he really better for you?
Like that's not good. So yeah.
Letting go soon. You think that boy, letting go soon.
Cause like the only way to fix it, like even if we tried to fix it, like it would have to come down to being on like something like this right here. Like yup. Then you have to put it in slip mode, and then you have to try to like line it up. So like even if we muted this right here, like right there.
And I don't plan on letting go soon.
So like even when we're hearing that, right? So I should bring it down just a little bit so we can see both. Alright. So like even if we try to do that right, how is it?
I don't plan on letting go soon.
So
I
like,
don't plan on letting go soon. I don't letting go. I don't letting go. I don't letting go soon. I don't letting go soon.
like no matter how we try to fix that, right? So like,
And I don't plan on. And I don't plan on. And I don't plan on letting go soon. You think that?
like don't matter how we want to fix it. We can't fix it. Like right now, like let's say we can't re-record it, can't do nothing. And that's what we got. Like we got that right there. Let's get all that off. Let's go back to the original. I don't want that broke, no nothing. Boom. So like even with that being said, like see, it took everything off. So I go back over here, go to the guide, capture that, go back down here, capture that. Boom. Now we're in there. Match it. Back. Like everything is back to normal and we gotta go.
I got your heart in my hand, love.
We need to loosen up a little bit.
I got your heart in my hand, love. And I don't plan on letting go soon.
Like,
You think that boy, he really better for you? You be running back to me soon. Can you really, really move on? I got your heart in my hand, love. And I don't plan on letting go soon.
I like
You
how
think that
that's
boy, he really better for you?
See, cause like if it's wider, right? Wider and a little bit off, like where it's not all the way tight, it'll sound good. It's like when I record music, I'm recording like Travis Scott done toliver type of vibe. So it's a lot of layers. Sometimes it's different vocal tones, inflections. But listen, but this plugin comes in clutch because when I be recording music like the Travis Scott, Don Toliver, like that vibing music, like I put layers. Sometimes I'll overdo it and then I'll be like, yo, the timing is off and I gotta take it out. And I don't feel like re-recording it and it's just too much and I don't wanna have to deal with that. But this plugin right here can come in and fix my little mistakes, right? So I ain't gotta
I got you.
deal. So I ain't gotta deal with the little mistakes. You know what I'm saying? Like come in and be like, okay, let's tweak this, tweak that, let's tighten this up right here, let's tighten this up right here. And then if I like it, I can go right here and hit render, or I can bypass it, I can clear it, or I can go back and edit it. So it's pretty much up to me and how I want to do it. But this is one way we can fix our stacks, we can fix our harms, dubs, ins, outs. You know what I'm saying? Like all of that is very simple. Like we ain't gotta do nothing too crazy. Like it's a couple clicks and we good, right?